Hi everyone, it's Jenny. Welcome to another video, and today I'm going to tell you how you can get rid of that diaper smell in your nursery. Whether you have a diaper pail or you're doing cloth diapering, I think this would help. So let's get into it. The first thing you'll need is just a plastic bottle. Any size is fine because we'll be cutting off the bottom. So you'll also need some scissors or something to cut the bottle. You'll need some baking soda. Some people call it natron or sodium bicarbonate. And you'll need a spoon to measure out the baking soda if you can't find them in little packets. And the last thing you need is some essential oil if you want, but that's optional. The first thing you want to do is cut off the bottom of your bottle, and this is what we're going to use to hold the baking soda. And the reason we're using baking soda is because it's really good at absorbing odors. After you cut your plastic bottle, it should look something like this or a little bit bigger. And then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda into your little plastic dish that you made. After you have the baking soda in your plastic dish, then you're going to add 1 to 2 drops of essential oil. I like to use eucalyptus or lavender oil, and that's it. So after you've cut the bottle and put the baking soda in, essential oil is optional. You put this on the bottom of your diaper pail, and the baking soda will absorb all of the odors. It happens within 10 minutes or so. And if you are using essential oil, that essential oil smell will last a couple of hours. But you can skip the essential oil if you just want to save your essential oil or save some money, because again, baking soda absorbs the odors, and so eventually that's going to absorb the essential oil smell, and then it won't smell like anything. So I hope you liked my tip on how to keep your diaper pail fresh and clean smelling. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.